Don't get much closer than that, guys.
I'm going to show you how to find the fuse and relay box in a Ram. This is a Laramie Longhorn. Open up the door. Underneath the center of the steering column, you're going to pull that, you'll hear a pop. Come up to the front, Ram symbol, just to the right, pull that over, lift up. Now that you're in the vehicle, to the right side here, you're going to see this little fuse. And we're just going to pull the front two of those, that's going to open up. You're going to see your fuse and relay box here. And then on the back, it's going to go through and tell you what each fuse and relay goes to. This is also in the owner's manual. When you're done, you're going to close this down. Make sure you hear a click. Make sure no dust or water gets in there. And that's where your fuse and relay box is, in the front of your Dodge. Your Ram. When you're closing, make sure you hear this click. Hopefully this helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
You slipped right out of your finger.